Go. Go slow. Bye.
Oh, you taping her?
Uh-huh.
She's still so good.
She is. Kendall, go see Miss Tammy. Look, here she is. Go see her. Go walk to her.
Look at you, Kendall. Show it off. Look at you, girl.
Well, don't show off too much.
I don't know how many times I can do that because you get to be a big girl. So don't show off too much, okay?
Yeah, go slow.